Hello. This is going to be our next project, just in time for fall. And you probably can't guess what it's going to turn out to be yet. Let's see, we'll rearrange it. How about that? You know what that's going to be? Well, it probably won't be it. Let's see. How about that? Not yet? Okay, we'll get working on it. That? Okay. I promise this will turn out to be very simple and quick. Make a few cuts, do a little painting, and we'll be all finished. Hold on. Okay, here we go. We're all cut. And that's all the cuts we gotta make. Now all we gotta have to do is paint it. You could probably tell what it's gonna be. Hold on. How about now? Yeah, you probably know. But we gotta paint it first. If you guessed black cats, you were right. Now we still have to do some sanding, put on some eyes, dress them up a little bit, and then it'll be finished. So stand by for the next phase. Okay, now you probably know what it is. It's 3 black cats. And now they have their eyes, and I've sanded off some of the black there, as you can see. And for the eyes, I took a water bottle cap and kind of squeezed it and dipped it in yellow paint to get that shape there. That way I didn't have to paint them by hand. That was easy and quick. And now we just have one more thing to do, and they will be all finished. So stay tuned for that. And here they are, all finished, dressed up with a little jute cord, as you can see. I didn't want to give them bows, so I just kind of tied it around. And that was pretty fast and simple. Out of some pieces of wood that were going to be thrown away. Made some little Halloween cats. But there's a bonus hiding here. I'll show you. I painted the back. And now we have some fall cats, so you can put them out early. They got whiskers. And I painted some stripes. This one. And this one I had used my stencil. They gave him some color. So we got some fall cats too. So, let me know if you like this. Hit like. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe for more. There will be more ideas. And I hope you like this. Thanks for watching.